when you're feeling low, lost in the dark, and all hope seems to be falling apart. Just remember there's a spark inside of you, a fire burning bright, waiting to break through. Yeah. Rise up, illuminate, let your spirit soar. You're a shooting star, forever so much more. Don't you let the world dim your glowing light. Let an inspiration ignite your inner fire.
If you've seen my last vlog, you might be knowing that my vacation has started. So you are going to join me today to spend the whole day of vacation where I do a lot of things which are productive, which are not productive a lot, and have fun with my own self. So I have right now just woken up and gotten fresh. Now I am going to go head to the shower because I also want to wash my hair today, and then I'll see you guys because I am quite hungry, but I don't want to make breakfast when I am all sweaty because it's quite hot today. So let's go get showered, get ready, and then make some breakfast. So I'm finally done with my shower because after talking to you guys, I decided to scroll through my phone, and with that, I just got engrossed and scrolled for almost like 45 minutes or so, and then I've gone taken my shower. I have completed my skincare, and now that I'm hungry, I'm going to go make breakfast. My breakfast today was quite simple. It was just a salad with matki, and that was it. And here I am filling my water bottles because later in the day I feel quite lazy to get up and go fill my water bottle every time I am feeling thirsty. So I keep my water bottles handy so that I stay hydrated, and then I was planning a few things that you will know about in the future. Now I've done a little bit of planning for the next few days, and now me and my friend, we both are going to go shopping. So let's get ready first and then leave. So I'm all ready. I have worn this black t-shirt which has this beautiful graphic design at the back and some comfortable jeans. So now that I'm ready, I am going to leave and you are going to join me. And here is me immediately after getting out of the hostel regretting the decision of wearing black t-shirt. So we are done with all half of our shopping. We have to go to a different mall now. But before that, we are going to go to this pizzeria where we get very nice chocolava cake. So we are going to go there first, and then we'll go for the further shopping. But before that, let me tell you that I have forgotten to shoot what shopping did we do over there. It wasn't for me actually, it was for my friend, but I didn't shoot that. So now let's go to the pizzeria. after roaming for like 5 to 6 shops, we have finally done with our shopping. A little bit that we are going to just order online, and now we are just going to go to the grocery shop, buy some things for today's dinner, and then return back home. So we have finally reached to the hostel. We are just sitting outside because it's shady over here, and we know that the rooms are going to be like oven right now because of the heat. Because the sun rises quite early nowadays, and it is quite warm. So now we are just going to sit over here and then go inside. I'll show you what I've bought, and then let's see what we are going to do. So now it's time for us to see the clothes that I have brought. So this is the first shirt that I've got. It is quite loose and it suits this weather, and I can pair it with any overall or anything. And the second thing that and this is the second thing that I've got. It is just a jacket which I really like. So I'm just going to wear it on this top itself. So let's see how it looks, because I really liked it when I tried it in the shop. So this is how it looks, and I really love it. And let me know if you too do love it. So this is all I've got today, and the rest of the things you will see in the upcoming vlogs of what I am planning to do in the next few days, and also where I'm going to go. So we have made our dinner early today because we have some plans after this. We are going to go out to our friend's apartment, which he has rented for a few days because his sister is coming, as his sister studies in a different city from us and she's going to visit here. So for that he has uh, booked this apartment for a few days. So we are going to go visit them and then come back home. So now that our dinner is ready, we won't have any tension even if we get late by coming home. So that is why we made our dinner early. So we are done making dinner. We just made some chicken pulao, and now we are going to go to our friend's apartment about which I was telling you. So let's get ready. I'm just going to wear the clothes that I had worn earlier in the day because I was sweaty in the day, and so that I can just put them for washing. So let's get changed and leave. So I'm finally back home. What we did there was just to lay around because we needed company. We didn't have a lot to do because his sister is not coming today. She is going to arrive tomorrow morning. So we just had to lay around. So I got to get my rest after roaming around for the whole day in the heat and everything. So now that I'm quite hungry, I'm just going to go eat dinner, and I'll see you guys after that. So I'm all done with dinner, and it was a quite nice day today because I got to roam around, have my own fun, and do my shopping. So that was all about today, and I hope I'll see you next week. So until then, keep inspiring, and I'll see you in the next week. Bye bye.